Good afternoon students, again welcome back to my channel City. So in this video we are going to discuss about the prediction for 11th December 2021. It's the third test date of December month. We already updated regarding the 2nd December and 4th December in detail along with the essay questions for practice. So you can just go through our playlist for more updates. So as you know, in 11th December, it's an academic and gender module test date by IDP India and also BC Global. So here we are going to see about the listening, reading and writing section in detail regarding the question type and the level of the test. So if you have any type of queries regarding any module, you can comment that below. So starting from the listening module as usual, in part 1 you will hear a telephonic conversation this time and the question type will be fill up type of question. And regarding the word limit, it will be up to 2 words and array number. You can use up to 2 words, array number or both in together. So this part will be an easy one. It will be a form completion. So take care about the word limit. Then regarding part 2, this time the audio will be a talk from a guide, instruction regarding any particular place. So the question category will be MCQs, that will be short MCQs along with 3 options, and map completion type of question. They will give options in a box and you want to cross. That means they will give options and you want to select. That's the thing you want to do. And part 2 will be an easy one. Regarding part 3, you will hear an academic discussion between some students, and the question category will be large MCQs and matching type of question. That means for the questions they will give options in a box and they will give 2 extra options to you. You need to cross according to the question. So this part will be in easy to moderate level. You can expect a little bit fast audio too in part 3 and 4. So adjust your background speed if you are practicing in YouTube and all means. Okay, you have a facility for that. So regarding last part, you will hear a monologue and the question category will be fill up type of question. That will be a summary completion, that also one word only. So overall your listening section will be in easy to moderate level. So try to practice more, go through all the available materials and adjust your background speed too. Okay, then regarding the reading module, first we'll see about the academic reading task. Then in passage 1, you can expect true, false, not given type of question. So try to write that in a complete way if you are practicing in home setup also. That means don't write T, F, N, G and all. Okay. Then along with that, a fill up type of question that will be up to 2 words, short note completion. So this passage 1 will be a repeated passage. So this passage definitely will be an easy one. Then regarding passage 2, you can expect the question type like matching type of question, that means which paragraph contain this information, like that. Then fill up type of question, that will be a short summary completion, that also one word only. Then selection of later type of question, that means from the option you need to select. They will give 5 options and you need to select 2 according to their instruction. So this passage 2 will be in easy to moderate level. Then regarding passage 3, the question category will be match the information type of question, but the way of asking will be different. That means they will give you the options in a box and you want to cross it. Then MCQs along with 4 options and yes, no, not given type of question. So this passage 3 will be an easy one again. So 2 of the passages will be most easiest one and one passage will be easy to moderate level. That will be the level of test, but you need to practice more. If you want to get the reading materials about the all the question papers and predicted list and all means, you can go through our Facebook page. So we are releasing each set, that means one set of reading a day for your practice purpose, so you can just go through that. I will provide the link in the description. Now we'll see about the reading module for gentle. In section 1, you can expect 2 short passages and the question category will be fill up type of question, that will be up to 2 words. It will be a short not completion. Along with that, you can expect true, false, not given type of question too. So section 1 will be an easy one. Moving on to section 2, again you will get 2 short passages. So the question category will be short answer question. That means they will give you direct question and you want to spot out the answer directly from the passages, and the instruction will be no more than 3 words. You can use up to 3 words. Along with that, fill up type of question, that will be up to 2 words fill up. Then MCQs along with 4 option. This section 2 will be in easy to moderate level. Then regarding the last section, matching type of question you can expect, that means which paragraph contain this information, like that. Then fill up type of question, that will be one word only fill-ups, and true false not given type of question, or yes no not given type of question at last. So this section 3 also will be in easy to moderate level. So overall we can set it as in easy to moderate level. So now we'll see about the writing module for academic first. In case of task 1, this time you can expect a line chart, bar chart, table, or the combination of any two, and also process diagram. So you need to concentrate on these 4 tasks. And if you have any doubts regarding these 4 category, means master classes are available according to the updated structure along with the vocabulary collection and all. By step, I explained each and everything in the master class. So you can just go through that, and I will do more regarding the writing task. Then regarding writing task to you, this time you can expect opinion type essay. They will ask you in any different way. Then discussion with opinion type essay and outweigh type of question. Advantage, outweigh, disadvantage, or vice versa. So these 3 category you need to concentrate more on in case of academic. Then regarding the general module task 1, this time you can expect informal letter. So you need to know how to open up the letter. You can use the phrasal verb. You can use informal languages. So try to be concentrate on this informal letter. Then regarding the task 2, this time you can expect opinion type essay or else discussion type essay. These 2 category you need to concentrate in case of general module candidates. So regarding the essay topics for both the category, if you are appearing morning section or evening section, so here we will discuss with the essay topics, and regarding the questions I will update as soon as possible under each topic. So now we'll see about the topics. First one, media, any type of media platforms they can ask for. Second one, society and social related issues. Third one, health, exercise, or related to diet pattern. That means about the food habits. Next one, related to technology, any type of information or communication technology, and also about the research or related to science. Next one, history, culture, and art related questions. Next one, related to education, that may be related to parents' role, peer groups' role, teachers' role of technology, offline, online education. Next one, environmental related problems. Next one, transportation and tourism related. Next one, economy and government role in any aspects. And the last one, work and business related questions. Anything related to employers, employees, salary packages, selection criteria, okay, uniform related questions, migration of people from urban to rural area related to this business work, like that questions also you can expect. So these all are the topics you need to be familiar with. So try to collect some points in general which can applicable for all the type of essays. That means try to create some general ideas. Okay, so collect some points and be prepared for your test, and all the very best. If you need any type of assistance or any type of help, means you can just comment that below, or else if you are interested to join for our online classes, means admission is open now. The individual classes are available. You can contact for that too. So stay tuned.